hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you are watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to check out my other videos, because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more such updates. All the links will be in the description box. And also, please, if you really like my content, then do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also hit the like button, comment down below, and I will definitely be replying on that. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about how to do your brows. Now I will come a little closer. Now everything is done as far as makeup is concerned. The only thing is my brows. The brows is something which is yet to be done, because I really wanted to show you that how to do your brows and how much difference it will take when you do your brows and when you don't do your brows. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. If you wanted to know how I achieved this makeup look with the help of What All palette, then okay, so I have used this Hilary Rhoda palette. Now this is a complete nude palette. So I have taken this particular shade, which is my transition shade. So I've taken this shade, and this is a beautiful palette. I will be talking about this palette in my next video, which is about Meesho's affordable makeup haul. If you really wanted to know how this palette is and from where I got it, do take a moment to follow me on Instagram, because most of the updates are there. And also please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button which is next to subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video you all will be well notified. Now the transition color was from Huda Beauty, from Hilary Rhoda, and the innermost color is from again Hilary Rhoda's palette, but this is a colorful palette and I took this yellow shade. Now yellow shade is something which is highly pigmented, and how I applied it, I just simply went around like this and just applied it. Easily you can get into your transition shade. That's the easy way of getting into the shade. And yeah, coming back to the video, which is doing your brows. Now brow is something which is not at all done. My natural brows actually look like this. Now how to do your brows, I will let you know with the help of both eyebrow pencil and eyebrow palette. First I would love to go with the palette, and for that choose any of the palette which has a natural brown shade. Now when I say natural brown, this is what is the gray shade. Do not go for that shade. When I talk about natural brown, the brown is this particular one. So in this palette, this particular brown is what I always use for my eyeshadow. This is a particular brown. So you have to select any of the palette which has a natural brown kind of color, or probably you can also go for eyebrow kit. If you are a beginner, you can take any palette which has brown, and if you are professional, then definitely go for eyebrow kit. Now after that you would need a brush, because without brush you won't be able to fill your brows. So for that I'm using these two particular brush. The tip of the brush is somewhere around flat, and it is very small. The same goes with this. The tip is really small, and it is completely flat. It's not poofy. So I will be doing with particular this kind of a brush which is flat. So let's take the color. The color which I'm taking, as I already mentioned, is the brown color. Dust off the excess, and always with the eyebrows start with the middle part, which is this. Start filling it. Many people does that. They actually use it with spoolie and move it upwards. So in that way also you can do it, but I usually don't do it. You can take this spoolie. Now this is a spoolie. Move your brows in the upward direction, and probably then start filling your brows from the center. Do not fill your brows just from here. It will look a little bit artificial. And wherever you feel there is an arch, just give it that arch. I'm just gonna do with the mirror. I'm blind without specs. So start filling it and then move at the arch. That's how the brow will be filled. Okay, so make it a little. Now whatever is remaining in the brush, you can move it forward. Next, when we use the eye pencil, now this is a Miss Claire eye pencil. You can use Miss Claire, Miniso and a lot of others. And this is what the pencil is. So with the pencil as well, you need to start from the middle, move to your arch, and then lightly do the center part. The main thing does is this tail part and the arch part. I feel the pencil brush does the better job than the eye palette, but it again depends if you get a proper palette. Now when I bring a little closer, everything is properly done. The brows are properly filled, and that's how it looks like. Now if you really wanted to know how I achieved this particular eye makeup look, then I have not made a separate video, but if you really wanted to know how I achieved this look, then do comment down below. I will try and make a separate video out of it. And that's pretty much for today's video. I hope this was a little helpful, and after doing this also, you can use the same spoolie. You can use this spoolie or probably this kind of brows and pull it back. So that's pretty much. I will definitely see you in the next video. If you really like the video, hit the like button. Do comment down below. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And that's pretty much. Stay safe. Stay at home. Cases are rising, so do take a very good care of yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.